So rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me. This is Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and in this lesson, how to play Wagon Wheel by the Old Crow Medicine Show. Wagon Wheel is a great song and it's easy to play. It only takes 4 chords, and here they are. Starts out on a G chord. Going to leave your first finger hanging, put your middle finger on the 5th string, 2nd fret, your ring finger on the 6th string, 3rd fret, and curl your pinky over to get the 1st string, also on the 3rd fret. Next is a D chord. We're going to put our first finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Middle finger goes on the 1st string, 2nd fret. And your ring finger reaches in between them, up 1 fret, the 3rd fret on the 2nd string, and play 4 strings. The E minor is next. We're going to let the first finger hang again. Put your middle finger on the 5th string, 2nd fret. Going to have to squeeze it back a little bit off the sweet spot to fit in your 3rd finger, your ring finger, on the 4th string, 2nd fret as well. Play all 6 strings. And of course the C chord. First finger goes on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Middle finger goes on the 4th string, 2nd fret. Ring finger goes on the 5th string, 3rd fret, and play 5 strings. The strumming pattern is your basic down, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, with just a little shuffle, so your up strokes are going to be a little faster than your down strokes. And the way I play it is I just play 1, 2, and then 3 and 4 again. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, with just a little accent on 2, you'll notice. Now some of you that are better listeners noticed I threw in a couple of tricks. I'll go ahead and show you those now. Hey, mama, rock me. What I like to do there when I'm playing it by myself, since I don't have a fiddle or a banjo with me, playing a C chord, I'm taking my pinky and putting it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, which gives us a nice 9th feel. And I'm kind of alternating it. Putting it down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So I'm playing it with the pinky on the down strokes, and I'm picking up the pinky and playing as a regular C in the up strokes. The other thing I do is a walk up in between the verses and the chorus, and that's just your E, your 6th string, and then 6th string 2nd fret, and then go right into your G chord. This is Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and I've just shown you how to play Wagon Wheel by the Old Crow Medicine Show. Thank you for watching. If I die in Raleigh, at least I will die free.